Good afternoon and welcome to week number 3 of HTM 101. This week I'm really excited that I was able to receive a lot of submissions for what you think, in your opinion, are the most important criteria in evaluating service. And I do have those results here on the screen to share with you. And the conversations were really great in terms of thinking about the service provider's attitude, if it was a smile, if it was a genuine smile, their overall friendliness, tone of voice, even making sure it's not robotic or fake. Availability was the next one. Also consistency, credibility, personal connection and empathy. There were a lot of different thoughts about kind of how to put people at ease, how to relate to them as a person, care about them more than just a customer, this kind of thing. Timeliness, and then obviously, would I recommend or would I go back? And so these are really generic and generalized service criteria that you could use in every single interaction that you're able to come across. Whether you're using DoorDash or Lyft, whether you're ordering something for curbside pickup, it could be food deliveries, it could be groceries, it could be personal shopping, any kind of customer service interaction. You could also use this if you have a line of work where you are the actual service provider and the customer is there. Kind of how you rate your own service. And so this service evaluation that we've put together as a class is going to be utilized in the following space. I will have a discussion pinned to the top called service evaluations. And these service evaluations are going to go on throughout the semester. And so from the week 1 collaboration that I just reviewed with you, and I have the criteria here, you're going to complete at least 4 service evaluations and also respond to at least 3 of your peers' evaluations. And you'll get points for each. You'll get 10 points for your own service evaluation and 5 points for responding or commenting to a peer's evaluation. And so I have some examples there. I also have included the service evaluation kind of Excel document that I just showed. Although you don't have to use that document, it's just a guideline for you. And really, you'll be posting in this discussion thread, commenting on your fellow students and their experiences. And we will be able to explore this world of service. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. But we are going to be moving right along. This is a pretty fast-paced course. So we've already done week 1 with the introductions. Week 2, we're wrapping up with hotel business. And now week 3, we're really going to get started in the first facet of hotel operations, which is the rooms division. And so you'll be able to read about the different departments that make up the rooms division, and the front of the house, housekeeping, loss prevention, safety and security. And so I really do hope that you enjoy this particular topic. It is near and dear to my heart. My very first job, well, my very first management job, I should say, was in housekeeping, which is the biggest department typically in any hotel, with the arguably best people in the hotel. And I really do enjoy sharing the passion for hotels and rooms division because it is where I got my start. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. But I really do hope that you have a great week 3, and I'll see you soon.